Okay, today we're looking at our mini pet hair detailer, which means carpet cleaner, pet cleaner, car carpet. And if we turn it over and take a look at it, we've got 4 modes.
Yeah, it has different edges.
Wow, cool. The most effective is this side with the biggest prickles on it. If I just start rubbing it like that. This shows the fact that we do have a lot of dogs in this house. And this is our carpet right by our door. So yeah, this is really bringing up the fur. And then I can just take this and wash it in the sink with some nice warm water. Wow. Yeah, so I'm pretty impressed. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending this to me so I could do an unboxing and a review and look at it. And it seems like a pretty effective product. And yeah, it shows this carpet is our entryway carpet, and it has a lot of fur in it. Okay, so you see, I just turned on the sink after doing that big hairy floor over there and cleaned it right up. Got the dirt and the hair right off it. So this one's a keeper. Okay, one other thing to note is I washed it up, came nice and clean, and it's a great replacement for those plastic rollers, paper, sticky adhesive rollers that you have to throw away and cost a lot of money.